Good morning, respected scholars and other participants who are here to participate in this cloud based international conference. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Sahana Sridhar, currently working in TCS as Assistant System Engineer. The topic for today is Literature Study on Cloud Based Healthcare File Protection Algorithms. To talk about the abstract of this paper, there is a huge development in computers and cloud computing technology. The trend in recent years is to outsource the information storage on cloud based services. The cloud provides large storage space. The cloud service providers are Dropbox, Google Drive are providing users with infinite and low cost storage. In this project, we aim at presenting a protection method by encrypting and decrypting the files to provide enhanced level of protection. To encrypt the file that we upload in cloud, we make use of double encryption technique. The file is being encrypted twice, one followed by the other using two algorithms. The order in which the algorithms are used is that the file is first encrypted using AES algorithm and then it is followed by the RSA algorithm. The corresponding keys are being generated during the execution of the algorithm. This is done in order to increase the security level. The various parameters that we have considered here are security level, speed, data confidentiality, data integrity, and ciphertext size. Our project is more efficient as it satisfies all the parameters, whereas the conventional methods fail to do so. The cloud we used is Dropbox to store the content of the file, which is in the encrypted format using AES and RSA algorithm, and the corresponding key is generated, which can be used to decrypt the file while uploading the file. The double encryption technique is being implemented. Cloud computing is the practice of using a network of remote servers hosted on the internet to store, manage, and process data rather than a local server or a personal computer. Cloud computing means that instead of having all the computer hardware and software you're using sitting on your desktop or somewhere inside your company's network, it is provided to you as service by another company and access over the internet, usually in a completely seamless way. Using cloud, you will not know where the hardware and software is exactly located and how it all works does not matter. According to the user, it is just somewhere up in the cloud as there is huge development of computers and cloud computing technology. The recent trend is to outsource the information storage. The cloud-based services for individual end users mainly focuses on the data storage. Cloud computing is a general term for anything that involves delivering hosted services over the internet. The services are broadly divided into three categories: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Software as a service is a software licensing and delivery model in which software is licensed on the subscription basis and it is centrally hosted. It is sometimes referred to as on demand software. Software as a service is typically accessed by users using a thin client. Platform as a service is a platform based service is a category of cloud computing services that provides a platform allowing customers to develop, run and manage the applications without complexity of building and maintaining the infrastructure. Then, these infrastructure as a service are online services that provide high level APIs used to dereference various low level details of underlying network infrastructure like physical computing resources, location, data patterns. Pools of hypervisors within the cloud operational system can support large number of virtual machines and ability to scale the services up and down according to the customer's varying requirements. Linux containers run in isolated partitions of a single Linux kernel running directly on the physical hardware. Infrastructure as a service cloud providers supply these resources on demand from their large pools of equipment installed in data centers. For wide area connectivity, customers can use either the internet or carrier clouds. To deploy their application, cloud users install operating system, images, and their application software on the cloud infrastructure. Platform as a service vendors offer a development environment to application developers. The provider typically develops toolkit and standards for development and channels for distribution and payment. In the platform as a service models, cloud providers deliver a computing platform typically including the models, operating system, programming language execution environment, database, and web server. In the software as a service model, users gain access to the application and platforms that run the applications.